In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S26 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into settings and hit connections. Now tap on Bluetooth on the left and use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it. Then wait for available devices to show, and when they do, tap on the one you wish to connect to. Then hit pair and wait for the other device to accept your connection request or accept it manually on another smartphone or a tablet. As you can see, after a few seconds, my devices were successfully connected. To disconnect them, click on this icon next to your paired device and manage all of those options wherever you wish, including unpair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!